Okay, here we go. We're going to try to troubleshoot this thing. Let's take it out for a ride. We can see what's exactly wrong. Sounds perfectly fine. Let's reverse it. And try not to crash. Sounds perfectly fine. Now let's go forward. You hear that clicking? Just click, 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 click. Only happen when I'm going forward. Everything's fine when I hit the gas. It's got to be something in the thingamajiggy bob. Here, transmission way, you think. At least that's what I think. Alright. Let's get to it. So let's start with this. Is there oil in here? Is there supposed to be? What is this for? Just so everybody knows, I don't know anything about these engines. I'm just saying, is this just to see what? That's not an oil plug or nothing. Maybe it's to see what gear you're in or something. I don't know. Don't know. Where's the oil? Is the oil over here? Maybe it just needs oil. I guess I didn't check the oil. Wow, that looks like enough oil. Let's double check that again. Should be kind of up here at least. Let's see. Let's just dip it in and look. Goes to the bottom. I wonder if it needs more oil. So it says engine oil. That's what it says. Engine oil. I don't think there's nothing wrong with the engine. Let's see what we got here. We got a few tools. We got this. We got this. We'll probably use one of these. A double click means it's recording. That's what we want, I guess. What does this say? Oh, it's actually a decent size. Is that what's happening? I don't know. Let's try what is it? You think it's always a 10 right here. Oh, I got pulled out a 10. Oh wait, I got the wrong ones. Of course I selected the wrong ones. So here's the 10. Ta-da! Oh, did you hear that? I don't know what that was. I should probably look at it in there and see what size that is. That's this size. So let's get a little wrench to hold that as we zip it off. What did I do that for? It's just where it is. That zipped off. Zip this off. It's windy. Blowing my garage door around. Look, this is just cut up. I wonder if this is how it comes from the Chinese shop. Alright, what do we take off next? I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, this is that 10? Yep. It is. You think it'll just come right out? Let's take this out. Come on, zip out, zip out. Woo! Zipped right out. See how easy that was? Let's put it somewhere where I'll probably lose it. Right there. Alright, let's take some of these other things off. What is this? What is that, an 8? It is an 8. Let's take this off right here. Let's get some extension action going on. It's not like red action or anything. Let's zip that off. Bloop, bloop. Ka-ding. All right. Do you see anything that could be banging around? I don't. That's for sure. What's banging around? Hopefully it's in here. We'll catch it. No problem. Or we'll have to take the engine out. Oh. Those are different sizes. Do you remember where they came out of? Ah, I can't reach. Let's see here. I wish I had a, what do you call it? A lift or something. Yeah, that didn't work. We got to put my wobbly bobbly on there. We got to make this 15 feet longer. And then we have my wibbly wobbly. Let's see if it comes off. Of course. Yeah, it came off. Oh, that one's even longer. Huh. Oh, look at that. There's one right there. Well, there. Just to make sure, we want to put everything. Make sure everything is a different size. We don't want everything the right size, because it'll be too easy to put back together, right? Did I ever tell anybody I need a lift? Maybe I need to tell someone who could buy me that. Huh. What else is holding on? I don't see any more bolts. Am I missing some? Oh, it's right here. Do I have a screwdriver? I might. Not one that works. Oh yeah, here's something. Look at that, look at that. I got a screwdriver. Probably should get a bigger one though. So we're gonna pour out? No. I doesn't this come off? Well, I don't know. Why do you think it's not coming off? I'll be honest, I don't know. Let's see. Connects to there, connects to there, connects to there. I see nothing else connecting it. Nothing. Nothing. I don't see nothing.
A few moments later.
Well, I don't think this is the problem at all, anything in here. Just listen. You hear that? Right here. It goes click, 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 click. Do you hear that? Huh. This has nothing to do with it. I took all this apart thinking I knew something, when all along I didn't know anything. I guess that goes to show you, sometimes you don't know anything. Especially when you think you know something, you don't know anything. Well, let me take another pause. Put all this stuff back together. And then look at something else. I gotta get all these parts back. Come back here, you parts. Come back here. Hey, where does this go? I don't know. I know this one went right here, right? Yeah, that was a long one. I know the other long one was, I believe it was right here. And this was a short one. And this was a short one, right? Yeah. That might be it. If it's not, I'll know pretty soon. Whoops. Gotta be careful, don't want to strip them out. This probably isn't the best way to put them on either. Beep. Did I put this in? Huh. We'll put this on, we'll put this on. We'll put this on. We'll put this back on. And maybe we won't put that back on. Yeah, if we listen closely, it sure sounds like it's over here. It's definitely over here. So I guess that means, should I take the engine out? It'd probably be easier, huh? So, I need to take the engine out. Man! Oh well. It is what it is.